In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your skin in a week. Now, a little background, right? So my skin has been off due to a couple reasons. I've been eating a lot of junk food. I've not been getting a lot of sleep. I haven't been drinking my water, and my skincare routine has not been on point recently. So I'm going to show you how to fix all that. We're going to focus on those 4 pillars. Now, you can see here, I have a pimple on my nose, pimple by the bottom, some pimples along the cheek area, and my skin is looking rough. It's currently Monday, February 12th. First thing we're gonna fix is our diet. No sugary foods. I'm only sticking to whole foods like rice, chicken, greens. I also have a bottle of water. Actually, I'm gonna show you it. The goal is to finish a full bottle of this every single day. Bonus points if we get it up to like 2, but the main point is I'm only going to be drinking water, no sugary drinks, no soda, no juice, no nothing like that. And the last thing apart from the whole skincare routine is I'm going to make sure that I'm getting at least 8 hours of sleep every single night consistently. Not just 8 hours, but going to bed at the same time, waking up around the same time. All right, so this is my first meal of the day. It's just 150 grams of chicken breast with 200 grams of white rice. The main point is that we're making sure that we're eating whole foods, not those processed foods. All right, so it is now Friday, February 16th. We started on Monday. It's not completely clear all the way, but you can see it started to fade on the sides, like it was a little bit more red before. I do have one that's starting to appear on my forehead. I'm gonna chalk it up to the game. I don't know how the hell that got there. Just a little update on the week. I have been eating clean. I have been washing my face. The only time that I ate junk food, I think I ate like 3 cookies within the span of like 4 days. And yesterday I did celebrate somebody's birthday. So I did have like 2 slices of pizza, like a slice of cake. But that's nothing. That's nothing. So I'm just gonna walk you through my skincare routine, what I've been using throughout these past few days, so you guys know what you should get. All right, first we're gonna go in with a cleanser. I like the salicylic acid facial cleanser from CeraVe. Really nice product. Highly recommend it. Then we're gonna go in with a liquid exfoliant. This is super important. This is how you're gonna clear your pores without having to use those abrasive tools. Then we're gonna go in with a toner from Neutrogena. This just adds some more moisture to the skin, making it nice and supple, if you know what I mean. I'm not gonna use that word no more. After I finish with that, we're gonna go in with the moisturizing lotion, also from CeraVe. You know, I just like their brand, to be honest. They don't miss. And then lastly, we're gonna hit it off with some sunscreen. Wear sunscreen. I don't care if you look like the darkest version of Piccolo. Use sunscreen no matter what. That's how my skin is looking, you know, in the darkness, that melanated, you know, just chocolatey, just wonderful caramel looking, tasting type of stuff. Before we move on to the next tip, if you've been growing out your hair for a while and you're struggling, I got a free hair growth routine template going over everything you should do to your hair from day 1 to day 7 throughout the week. If that sounds interesting, go down to the description and download it. You don't like free stuff? You telling me you don't like free stuff right now? And while you're down there, you could just hit the like button. I'm just saying you got to pass it on the way to the link. So I'm going to just give you some time to do that. You know, it's completely free. And, you know, the video is pretty good. So I'm just saying, you know, I'm not trying to, you know, step on your toes. All right, it is Saturday, February 17th. We started this journey on Monday. How long has it been? It's been 6 days. I'm actually surprised just how fast my skin has been bouncing back. At the start of this, we had like 3 huge pimples on this side of the face. This other side was pretty clean. I don't know what the deal was with that. But these have essentially faded out. Now, here's the thing. From yesterday and today, I had the hugest pimple right here. You can probably still see it. And I was so tempted to just pop it a little bit. Just a little bit. Just get a needle. Get it out of here. You got to go. But I committed to not popping it. I said, you know what? We're gonna stick to the plan, and we're gonna leave it be. We're gonna trust the process. It arrived yesterday and it dried out 2 hours ago. So if that doesn't put you on that this thing works, what I'm doing. So yeah, not much has changed from Monday. I've been sticking to the same thing. My diet has been on point. I've been in hard resistance mode because I'm also trying to cut for summer. Because, you know, trying to look, you know, a little fine for the ladies. You know what I mean, you know, my body is a temple. And I'm trying to keep it. I talk too much foolishness. This little bottle that I got for like $3 at Dollarama has been saving me this week. I finish this at least twice a day. So that's 2 liters of water. I just drink the water whenever I have a meal or whenever I get the chance, to be honest. If it's right next to me, I'll be like, let's take a sip. I had no alcohol this week, and my sleep has been on par. I've been going to bed around 11 o'clock each night, getting up around 7:30. It's to the point where I get up like 5 minutes before my alarm because my body's just used to it. And my diet has consisted of mainly some variation of chicken and rice 4 times a day. And this is how my skin is looking. It's looking kind of clean now. It's looking kind of clean. So I will update you guys in the morning.
See you then. That was weird. It sounded like I was on the news. I ain't gonna show. Cut this camera off.
Today is the day. It is Sunday, February 18th. 6 days after we started. This is how my skin is looking. One thing I could already notice, that bump that we had from yesterday has basically completely faded. By nighttime, it'll be gone, right? The acne that we started on this side of the face is basically done. This bump is still kind of there, but I feel like that's there for a different reason. All the like whiteheads and stuff have basically disappeared. My face looks smoother than it did before, and it was all done in 6 days. In 6 days. From those 4 things: diet, water, sleep, and skincare routine. So if that does not convince you, brother, that this can be done, and if you like this video, you're definitely gonna like this one, so I advise you check it out. That's all for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.